It's not uncommon for skin prices to double, triple, or even 10x over a few years. In this video, we're going to compare the performance of CS2 skins to the stock market using real data from the past decade. Before we get into the video, I want to tell you about privateskins. We built our own CS2 skin marketplace and it runs entirely on crypto. If you want to buy and sell skins with instant transactions and the lowest fees, head to privateskins.com. Now, to compare CS2 skins with the stock market, we need to look at the average annual return for each. For the stock market, that data is pretty easy to find, but for CS2 skins, there's no official record, so we have to estimate it ourselves. We use the Steam market to pull real price data from dozens of skins across budget, mid-tier, and popular items, then calculated yearly returns from 2013 to 2025. To calculate the average return for each year, we need to use a simple formula. Return is equal to end price minus start price divided by start price times 100. This gives us the percentage change in price for each skin over a year. For example, if a skin started the year at $50 and ended at $75, the return would be 75 minus 50 divided by 50 times 100 is equal to 50%. We did this for every track skin and averaged the results to get the overall return for that year. This method mirrors how stock performance is typically measured, making it a fair comparison. After a bit of calculations, we come up with this graph comparing the annual return of CS2 skins versus the S&P 500. The stock market did have its ups and downs, but never had movements as big as skins. As you can see, in the early days of CS skins, there was huge volatility, possibly because there was a ton of speculation about skins. From 2016 to 2018, returns on CS2 skins started to stabilize, but still lag behind the overall stock market. Then, in 2019, we saw a sharp spike in returns again. This could be from growing interest in investing, increased YouTube content around skin trading, and Valve limiting case drops, all of which reduced supply and boosted prices. After 2019, CS2 and skins became more and more popular. They always averaged a positive annual return and consistently beat the market. So yes, in recent years, CS2 skins have outperformed the market, but that return doesn't come without risks. Like any investment, it's not just about returns, it's about risk, reliability, and purpose. So let's break down the pros and cons of investing in CS2 skins. For pros, you got the potential of large returns, a low barrier to entry and open to anyone. You're able to use skins in game, and many of the items are highly liquid. For cons though, you have it's highly volatile and speculative. There's no regulation or customer protection. Prices driven by hype, trends, and influencers. And huge amounts of unsystematic risk, meaning Valve can just stop trading at any time, or a law banning skins is imposed, etc. There are many more risks with CS2 skins that we didn't mention. So, are CS2 skins a better investment than the stock market? In some years, absolutely, but long-term stability is unknown. You should see skins as speculative collectibles, unless you truly know what you're doing and understand the risks of investing in them. But if you're looking for stability, liquidity, and protection, traditional investments will always be more reliable. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please consider subscribing for similar videos and check out privateskins.com to trade CS2 skins with crypto.